welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. So today is that day where I share with you guys some products I got from PinchMe. I have done this video before. It's just free samples that I receive in the mail to try, and I thought I'd share with you guys. This was one that I got from the sampler, and then I did get two actually from Influenster. This is one and the other one's inside. It's a real tiny one. So I thought I would go ahead and just share those with you guys. If you're not familiar with PinchMe, Influencer, or anything like that, the information will be linked down below. As I told you guys before, it is free. It is just a website you go on and you do surveys about yourself and things like that, and they will sometimes send you samples to try. And then Influencer sometimes will send you samples, or they will send you full-size products. I shared with you guys, which if you have not seen, I will put that up in the cards. That is where I received a full-size perfume from Influencer, and I had also received a sample-size perfume I shared with you guys as well, and that's already gone and used. So yeah, I just thought I would quickly come on here and just share with you guys. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So let's start with the first one, which is the sampler Persil Proclaim. That is what Proclean, excuse me, Persil, I think is how you pronounce it. I got this on sampler.com, and again, I will try to put their info as well, link down below for you guys in the description if you want to just sign up. It is free and get you some samples. So they did send me two of the Persil Pro Clean discs, Deep Clean, Long Lasting Fiber Care, Oxy Power, and I believe the last time I got was for a dishwasher. This time they sent me for a washer machine. You can use them on regular washer machines or the HE washer machines, the high efficiency. It is one disc in each bag, so that's one load, one regular size load a piece. So I have used these and tried them. I absolutely love them. I love the Persil brand. I buy that detergent for my clothing, but I usually buy it in the liquid just because I feel like it goes a lot further. I just always like the liquid. I don't know why. Sometimes I do buy the little pods, but yeah, I really do enjoy this. Super excited and glad to have that. The next, we'll do the PinchMe next. And typically with PinchMe, I've not gotten a full-size product as of yet with them. I've always gotten sampled size, and some are repetitive, but that's okay. So there's that. Okay, so the first thing they sent me is these original Skittles, a little candy size bag, which I have tried. I do enjoy them. I only like the red and purple, or the pink, which that does not have pink. This one has grape, green apple, lemon, strawberry, and orange. The only ones I probably would eat is the green apple, grape, and strawberry, but I'll probably pass this to one of my kids. Then they sent me another Haribo Gold Bears. These are the little gummies. I do like these. They're one of my favorite candies. I buy these from the Dollar Tree all the time. And during Christmas, Dollar Tree had the Christmas flavors. Well, not Christmas flavors, but Christmas colors, green and red. And I think it was strawberry and raspberry or something, but they're really good. This one has orange, strawberry, lemon, pineapple, and raspberry. They did send in here these little nail decals, which I will probably pass to my daughter because she'll enjoy putting these on her nails. Nice to always have, just to add a little bit something to your nail look. They did put this little card in here. It says, products trial starts now. Please keep an eye for your email. PinchMe.com. It says follow us on our social media at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. That is some of the information there. Okay, and then they sent a one nose strip deep cleansing right there. I will pass this to my husband. He loves using these. He always gets blackheads on his nose. It just says deep cleansing nose strips specifically designed to remove blackheads and unclog pores. The strip adheres to dirt and oil on the nose area. and allows easy application for hard reach areas. You will see an improvement in skin pores and appearance with this strip, causing the pores free from dirt and clogging appearance. They did send in aloe vera hot, I can't pronounce the brand name, but it's an aloe vera moisturizing facial mask, contains rich aloe essence, moisturize, lets you have moist, smooth, and beautiful muscles. And it looks like this. It is for the face. Again, I don't know how to pronounce the brand name. I think it's this one here, Hachana, maybe. It says here, aloe extract and vitamins have a good moisturizing effect on the skin, supplement the skin moisture, provide nourishing, repairing moisture, helps improve skin dryness, skin water, and oil balance. So that's going to be nice to try. I heard a lot of good things about aloe vera. People drink it, so I'm sure it's good for your skin as well. And then the last thing that they sent me is the Delectables Squeeze Up with chicken and cheese. Tasty treat for small, tiny dogs, which I do. I have one small dog, so she will really enjoy this. It's just, you can hand feed, serve in a bowl, or mix with food for a delicious treat. They sent me those. There is 4 in a pack, and it expires in 2022, so that will be nice. And then the last is the Influenster box. Okay, so the first thing they sent me was this little tiny sample. Sometimes this happens. You will get little samples like that. I did get a full-size perfume. That could be why they sent me the sample, but it's fine. I will use it. It is the Atelier Cologne from Paris. This is in Lemon Island. Sent this card with it, and it just has the information on the perfume there. I will say this is very, very summery. It's very citrusy. If you are not a citrus person, then you will not enjoy it. It just reminds me of summer for sure. It has, like, you can smell some oranges and some lemon, even a hint of lime in there. And it's just like a real refreshing fragrance. I wouldn't say it's like your fragrance that you would want to use if you're going on a nice date night out or something like that. It's not that type of scent, but it would be more for like those summer days you're hanging out at the park, or you're going to go to the beach. Something like that I think would be really nice. And it did come with this cute little postcard, and I got this before from Sephora as well, on a perfume I got many, many years ago. And this is really nice. I can't wait to send that maybe to my mom in the summertime because it's really pretty on the card. Let me put that back in here real quick. But yeah, basically how it says Lemon Island, it definitely smells like that. So if you're not a lemon person, or you are not a citrusy fragrance person, you will not enjoy it. I personally like that, so therefore it is really nice. I am glad to have the sample. I don't know that I would purchase it in a full size. Even though it is nice, I don't need any more. And it's not one of those scents that, like I said, you would use on a daily basis, but I do enjoy it, and I am glad to have it. So I'm going to put that up there. And then the last thing they sent me was this Pureology full-size product. Now, if you're not familiar with Pureology, it is a hair care brand, and they are pretty pricey. When I worked at Ulta, people would buy this stuff, but it wasn't like one of the items that was sold a lot, but there was very few that would come and purchase these items, and they were very, very expensive. A shampoo bottle is like 40 something to 50 bucks. But I heard nothing but good things about it from the customers that did purchase it, and say that they do notice a difference in their hair. They do love the products. They would continue paying the price, because although it's expensive, it's a really, really good brand and hair product. So I'm really excited to have this. This is what they sent me. This is the Hydrate Soft Rose Treatment Mask. It is a 6.7 fluid ounce. I have yet to open it, and it says here, a softening treatment mask that nourishes and softens dry color treated hair, which I do have. It says it's made with shea butter, softens and moisturizes hair, Almond oil provides nourishment to hair. Sunflower seed, UV filter, and vitamin E. It protects color vibrancy and ensures lasting color payoff. So it says here it's vegan, zero sulfate, anti-fade complex for all hair types. And this is what the card looks like. So I'm really, really excited. You guys can see that I recently went all blonde, so my hair is, you know, for the most part, has some damage to it. It's getting better. And you can see my roots are already growing out, which is ridiculous, honestly. Never realized how fast my hair grew. But yeah, I'm really happy to have this. It does say that it's has a rose velour scent, which I love roses. So yeah, I'm really, really happy to have this. I'm really appreciative. Anytime I get any full-size products, I'm really happy to have that. So yeah, I just thought I would share these with you guys. I'll definitely, once I use this, I did just wash my hair yesterday. So on my next shampoo round, I will be trying this. And I will definitely let you guys know what I think, either on here or on my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, it's always linked down below. Definitely check it out. Or even check me out on Influenster. I will do a review on there as well if you want to hear my thoughts on it, what I thought about it, if I would purchase it, you know, even though I got it free, if it's something I would purchase and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Definitely don't forget to check out these websites that are linked down below so you can yourself possibly get some free products to try as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.